Hi everyone, welcome back to the react.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Axios. Axios is a lightweight HTTP client based on the XML HTTP request service. It is similar to the Fetch API and is used to perform HTTP requests. Let's see how we can use Axios in React. For that, first of all, install the Axios. So switch to the command prompt. And here first of all stop the running react application, so just press ctrl plus c and press y, then enter. Okay, now just run the command for installing the Axios, which is npm install Axios. Okay, now press enter. All right, it's installing the Axios package. All right, now Axios has been installed successfully. Now run the React application. So just write here npm start. All right, now switch to the project. Inside the project, just go inside the src, then component, and here just create a new component. Okay, let's say component name is blog.js. All right, and inside the blog.js, just create a component, class component. So just write here first of all import react and comma component from react. All right, now just write here the class, and class name is blog, which is component name. Extend with extends with component. All right, curly bracket start and close, and here add here the render method, and inside the render simply return here div, and let's say class name is equal to text left and container. Okay, these are bootstrap 4 class css class. Okay, now import p is missing. All right, now here just export default and component name, which is blog. All right, add here the title, let's say h3 blog posts. All right, now save the file. Now go to the app.js and just click on app.js, and here first of all import the blog component. So right here import blog from path of this file blog.js. So just write here dot slash components slash blog. All right, and now create here the route for the blog component. So just write here route path is equal to slash blog and component is equal to blog. Alright, now save the file. Now go to the navvar.js and here create the link for the blog. So just copy this line and paste here and just change the text here, blog, and here href slash blog. Alright, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser. Okay, here is parsing error identifier. Component has already been declared. Okay, go to the blog.js. Alright, now save the file and switch to the browser and you can see here the blog link. I just click on blog and you can see here the blog component. Okay, here I am going to use for API is the JSON placeholder. Okay, so just go to the google.com and here search JSON placeholder. Okay, and just click on first link. Okay, now scroll the page and here you can see here the 100 post. Okay, this is the 100 post link. So just click on this link and you can see here there are 100 posts. Okay, now we will use these posts inside our project. So now switch to the project and just go to the blog.js and here first of all import Axios. So just write here import Axios from Axios. Alright, now add here inside the component a state. So just write here a state and inside the state create one property which is posts. Okay, and now add here the react lifecycle method which is component did mount. So just write here component did mount and just write here the Axios get and inside this get method just pass here the API URL JSON placeholder API URL. Okay, so just copy this and paste here, then dot then response arrow function. Alright, this dot set a state and here write here post this one, this property is post and assign the value response dot data. I'm just putting the value 10 post. Okay, so just I'm going to use here slice. So just write here slice 0 to 10. Alright, not semicolon. Now save the file. Alright, now inside the render method just write here const posts is equal to this dot state const post list is equal to post posts dot length is greater than 0. If post length is greater than 0, then uh, just add here the div t is equal to post dot id, and here just print the title inside the h3 tag. So just write here h3 and post dot, sorry, one thing is missing. Just cut this, and posts dot map. Inside this map, just write here post arrow function, and inside this just return alright, and here paste this. Now you can access this post object, post.id, and post.title, and inside the p tag just write here post.body. Alright, if there is no record, then just print div. Inside the div just write here no post yet. Alright, sorry, not here, just cut from here and paste here. Alright, now this post list, just copy this, and here inside the this div just paste here within the curly bracket. Okay, all done. Now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser. Alright, module not found, can't resolve Axios. Okay, spelling mistake. So just write Axios. Okay, here is a mistake. Now save the file and it's compiling. Alright, all done. Now switch to the browser and you can see here the post title and their body. Okay, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 post. Okay, so in this way you can use Axios in React. So that's all about using Axios. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.